Hi, my name is Steve Ludwig. I'm here with my colleague Bill Martin at Automation Fair. We're here today talking about smart systems. You know, digital transformation is a lot more than just a technology buy. It's really about improving overall business performance. Those business outcomes like improving efficiency, productivity, flexibility, and reducing safety and security risks are really what you're trying to achieve. And at the heart of that are smart systems. Smart systems start at the device layer, sensing what's going on the manufacturing line and feeding that information to controllers, which then improve machine and line performance, and in turn provide information to operators and to maintenance and into analytics systems. And the analytics systems then bring together information in a contextual way, provide that to company leadership so that they can plot the right course.
Yeah, Steve, you're right. Really, the smart systems is really the heart of the digital transformation. And in fact, really, there's four areas. You know, we've got our smart devices, our smart controls, our human-machine interface, and then our analytics. So if we look at smart devices, I mean, they're really comprised of three different things. We've got our intelligent motor control, our smart sensing, and our smart safety. You know, with the intelligent motor control, we can use that to not only reduce wiring to save on time to build a panel, but a lot of times these smart motor control devices have a lot of great useful information to make a process a little more efficient. So for example, if you're pumping out a tank of liquid and instead of using a separate sensor to determine if that tank is low, we could actually look at the power readings of a variable frequency drive or of an intelligent overload relay to determine if that tank is low or not. Other aspects would be with smart sensing. You know, a lot of times if a machine were to all of a sudden shut down, you know, you're scrambling for hours trying to figure out what's causing this thing to go down. And you know, a lot of times just something simple as a dirty sensor. With our intelligent sensing products or smart sensing products, they will tell you the signal strength of that sensor so that when it starts getting weaker, you can make a warning occur to the maintenance staff so that they know at the next maintenance shift they can wipe off that lens and not prevent that downtime from occurring. And then finally, with smart safety devices, again, we can look at more efficiencies, not only providing functional safety, but we can look at things like, you know, Bob on third shift, he's always hitting that E-stop, you know, like 3 times a shift, whereas, you know, Mary and Joe, they may hit it maybe once a month. So, you know, what's Bob doing different during his shifts compared to Bob and Mary? So once we have these smart devices, we can integrate them into our smart controls. For example, with our Logix controllers, these smart devices actually kind of show up as if they were like another Logix controller, where we have some meaningful address names. So for example, with the PowerFlex drives, you can see that total power or total power factor, those kind of things. They're also primarily integrated such that if you ever had to replace one of these devices, you can do it automatically with a technology called automatic device configuration, where you simply just remove the smart device, pop in the new one, hook it up, and then the controller actually automatically download all of its configuration data for that device, and the maintenance guy has to do nothing. He just simply walks away and the product is replaced. Then we have other things for helping out would be with the human-machine interface technologies. And so we have some technologies known as faceplates, which are pre-engineered graphics. So these smart devices, they create all these numbers, but how do you really make useful information out of that? And that's really where these faceplates come in. So really in a matter of minutes, a system integrator can put together this nice visual representation of all this data from these smart devices. And now that all this information is in our smart controllers, we can actually do some advanced analytics with this. So using something simple as FactoryTalk Analytics for devices, where it's a computing appliance that will just automatically go out, sniff the network, and grab data automatically from all these intelligent components. To using something from our sister company, PTC, a product that they have called ThingWorx, where it can actually look at very different things and kind of compare them to each other to find out really interesting trends to make your manufacturing process a little more efficient. So it's kind of neat. You kind of build up with your Logix controllers. We can add these smart devices, add these faceplates, and do some analytics. And the nice part is you don't have to do it all at once. You can actually kind of evolve that system.
You know, I think that's a key point, is it really is more evolution than revolution. It doesn't have to be one big buy and one big spend all now. It's not just that single technology buy that people look for. It's something that evolves over time. That's why the planning process, I think, is really important, to understand what your business objectives are, what's the appropriate migration, and what's the right migration path for you as a company to achieve those business objectives that you're looking for. So if you're looking for more information on smart systems, you can click on the URL that's available to you or contact your local Allen Bradley distributor. Thanks.